Here we will create a window application to explain how regular expression works. For this we will add a new form and we will add different controls on it. Here we have added these different controls on it. First control accepts the name with first name and last name. Second control accepts lowercase letters with 6 characters. Then uppercase letters with 10 characters, email address, mobile number and the percentage. Now to write the regular expression, we will use leave event of these text boxes. So we will create a leave event. At leave event of text box, we will write this code. Before using the regular expressions, we have to import using system.text.regular expressions. We have to use this class so that we can use regular expressions regex class. We will execute it with dot match method. In match method we will give the text box name and the characters that you want. Exponential mark is given for the starting of the text. Then we have given the /w, which is defined as a word with at least one character. Then we will accept the space. Then we will accept second word with at least one character. And again space and third word. And if the text entered in the text box name is not matched with the regex control, it will give the message invalid name. The message box buttons OK and icon is error, and it will set the focus to again name. Now we will write the leave event for lowercase. Here we have written this code for finding the lowercase event up to 6 digits. So regex.match method we will execute. We will give this text box name txt lowercase dot text, and the regular expression we have given this is exponential mark, which shows starting object. Then A to Z, that is only small letters are acceptable, so I have given small a to Z. We are going to accept only 6 digits, so I have given this 1,6 and last is $sign. And if this condition is true, then we will give the message invalid characters and we will set the focus to lowercase. Now we will write the code for uppercase with 10 digits. So at leave event of this text box uppercase, we will write this same code but here we are going to accept the capital letters, so I will give here capital A and capital Z. We are going to accept 10 characters, so I give here 1,10 and I will set the focus to uppercase. Now we will create email address leave event. Here we have written the code for checking the email. First we have given the exponential sign, then we have given this character, digit or special characters in the email name. After that @ sign and then again characters such as Gmail, Rediff, Yahoo, etc. and then dot again characters, that is .com, .co, .in, anything. And if it is true, it will give the message invalid email, and it will set focus to email. Now we will write a code for mobile number, and here we use the regular expression as 0 to 9, that is only integer values are allowed, and of length 10. Now we will write a code for entering the percentage with 2 decimal points. So at the leave event of percentage, we will give the regular expression as 2 digits with decimal point and again 2 digits. Now to execute, we will set it as a starter form, and when we execute it, first we will enter the name. If I enter first name only, and if I move to focus to the lower second text box, it will give message invalid first name. When I write first name, middle name and last name, then only it will allow move focus to next text box. In second text box, we are going to accept lowercase with only 6 characters. So if I give uppercase characters of more than 6, and if I set focus to another text box, it will give message. So if I give 6 characters in lowercase, then only it will accept it. Similarly in uppercase, if I give letter in small case and more than 10 digits, it will give error. And if I give letters in capital letter and up to 10 characters, it will accept it. For email address also, if I give this, it won't accept. If I give email address in proper format, it will accept it. Similarly, mobile number, if I give characters, it won't accept. If I give more than 10 digits, then also it will not accept. If I give 10 digits mobile number, it will accept it. And while entering percentage also, it won't accept. If I give decimal point and enter the value, it will accept it.